not a complicated cook. Pork chops, teriyaki marinade, pepper, and salt. First, let's go ahead and set up the marinade of the pork chops. Time to head over to the grill. So here's the secret. Not putting in too many coals. You just want a gentle bed to burn, but not so large that it overheats the meat too fast. This is something else to think about with your live Sportsman's grill. There's two different sides to this grill. A lower surface and a taller surface that sits on these legs. What you'll also notice is the difference between the two sides as far as the grates are concerned. This is a very flat surface. And the other side is rounded. On the flat surface, it's actually tougher to get the grill marks than these rounded sides. So we're going to cook, it's closer to the flame, which means those coals are going to be even more efficient. So we got to watch the temperature on this because we don't want this to heat up too quick, but we'll get better sear marks on this rounded grill surface as opposed to the flat side. Please feel free to check out my other video on how to maintain your cast iron grill to keep it from rusting. It's in the library of my videos there. It's not a difficult process. It's actually very easy to keep this from rusting. Do a little bit of prep work on the grate here. I'm going to go ahead and shut off the damper because I want to be able to add heat when I want to, not go into panic and try and take heat away. So we'll start out low and go higher if I think we need it. And this is just regular spray canola oil. You can see my other video again about maintaining. Don't pay for the expensive oil. If it says canola oil right there on it, you're good to go. Now I'm going to open that damper up a little bit, get a little bit more heat going. And believe it or not, you can see this thing heat up pretty quick once you open that damper up and add that oxygen into those coals. It gets going pretty quick. The key to this part of it is not letting it get away from you. You want some heat enough in there to give you the grill marks, but at the same time, not enough that it ends up blackening the meat. There it is. To those people who say you can't get good grill marks on the Lodge Sportsman's grill, I say bologna. What do you think about those grill marks? You just got to know the trick of flipping the grill over, watching your heat, not putting too much into it. And once you see that moisture starting to come through the other side of these pork chops, that's when you know they're done. You don't want to overcook these because they end up tasting like shoe leather. Don't overcook your pork. Some of these are ready to come off, and I've got another round that I need to throw some burgers on. While I've got these coals going, I've got more people to feed than just these pork chops. So let's go ahead and throw some burgers on, and this is the really tricky cook. I've never cooked burgers on the flipped over grill like this, so let's see what happens. Go ahead and choke that off some. Boy, I can tell you, if I hadn't choked that fire off, this would be a flaming mess right now. But as it is, you can't smell that, but that is an amazing cook that's happening right now. With all that flavor sitting right there on top of those burgers. Man, that smells good. Once you get the temperature control down on this is a really fun and easy cook on the Lodge Sportsman's cast iron grill. So we've opened that grill back up, poured on some more heat. Now we'll go ahead and get some vegetables grilled as well. These squash and zucchini are one of my favorite ways to grill vegetables during the summertime. You can see here in my garden, by the number of plants that I grow, how much I like squash and zucchini. So YouTube has said that this video right here is perfect for your viewing habits. And then this video is my latest upload. We're also now a Roku channel. That's a new development. It'll be coming out any day now. Feel free to check it out. If you enjoyed the video, please click like, subscribe, share. Come on back for more.